360Cities is a website where you can view 360 images. You can search through hundreds of images from all across the world in various settings and look at these places in full 360 degrees. To view 360 Cities on the Oculus Quest 2 goggles, first scroll down and launch the Wolvic Browser. Once Wolvic opens, click the 360 icon. This will open up the website. You can choose from a variety of images to look at by clicking on the Explore button and then choosing the world map. Feel free to scroll around the map, find a country or location that you're interested in, and click on one of the images. This will open up that picture in the window. To open it in 360, click on the VR goggles icon and then choose Enter VR. You can now look around inside that 360 image. Look left, look to the right, look up, look down, look behind you, look everywhere. You're inside a 360 image. To exit 360 mode, click the three lines button on the left controller. Click the back button in the browser window to go back to 360 Cities and use the collections to choose any other image that you want to see. When you're done looking at 360 images, click the circle button on the right controller to close the browser, and then choose Go to Home.